sometimes conflicting decision records, but at least we have a very clear time series view of what we've decided, what we've agreed to change, et cetera, et cetera. Again, one of the examples is we ran an analysis, some optimization or forecasting analysis, that the AI caught itself midstream as it was doing the work and says, oh, no, I'm actually overstating revenue because of this one thing that you've agreed with the client not to make that assumption, but make this other assumption, right? And it was able to look it up from the second brain on what that was, and midstream it corrected itself, right? And this is the reason this thing is useful. If you go to the next slide, this is it's a very high level view of what our second brain structure may look like. This is a watered down version, but we have these central vaults, right? Every client has its own folder, right? Prospective clients have their own folder, right? We have content folders as well, right? We have some intellectual property things like methodologies and code and case studies and white papers, right? And then we have, again, reference materials, right? So think of these as folders, and each of these folders, there's dozens of subfolders, and each of those contain lots of these markdown documents that essentially encode what our assumptions are, what we talked about.